welcome back to the channel. So today we're doing a makeup video. I'm doing a red smoky eye. I actually did a video yesterday, but I didn't really like where it turned out. I might put a picture of videos at some point in the video so you guys can see it and tell me if you like it or I'm the one who's tripping. But I wasn't feeling it and it looked better in person than it was on camera, and it just never cut it. It never sit well with me in my eyes, but I never really like it. So here I am today doing another video for you guys because we need to be uploading every week, right? So you know the twice a week thing, so come on, just bear with me for a while. But just bear with me for the meanwhile, and we're uploading once per week for now. So my eyebrows are already done. They might not be the neatest, but yeah. So we're just going to get straight into the video. I'm just using a concealer in the shade Fawn. It's the LA Girl Pro Concealer. So I'm using that on my eyelid as the base and just blending that out. Palette. The colors are amazing. Yeah. I'm going in with the red, this one. So we're just placing that red right on our eyelid, a little bit above our eye crease. So we're just basically just adding more red until we're okay with the coverage. So I'm going in with a clean brush now just to blend out the edges some more so it doesn't look like we have a harsh line on our eyes. So we're just blending that out. NYX glue so the glitter can stick, and some of those bows. I just bows. So now it's time for all the excitements and the niceness, yeah, the disco dust and all of that. So we're just going in now with basically some red loose glitter, and I'm just placing that right where I added the glue. So we're up close and personal. Like, sorry guys, my nose did one turn, so no, just bear with me. So you guys know we're working with loose glitter, and of course it is going to go everywhere. So we're just wiping away all the excess glue that is on the face that we really don't need there. And then we're just basically going on into eyelining. This is not my strongest point, but promise guys, I'm getting there. So I'm just using a black liner and giving myself a nice little wing. I was feeling the look a little too much and I decided to add some white liner above the black. And I haven't used that liner, the white one, in quite a while, so it was kind of drying up. So it was a little bit difficult to get out, but hey, I did what I could. And of course, you guys know the eye isn't completed until you have your nice pair of lashes. And I almost drew myself on my eye. Well, I actually did, but yeah. It's just one of those days. So I'm going in with my Too Faced foundation. I'm gonna it done and may use every bit side. So I'm gonna use some today. And then really I don't know. It's finishing. Flawless. Actually look like my skin, right? So going back with our Girl concealer, shade Farm highlight. I don't really use a lot. That's enough for me. I don't want too much highlight going on my face. So I'm going in with contouring, and for contouring today I'm using eyeshadow. I really don't have anything else at the moment, so I just gonna make the eyeshadow work, and it did work, right? Yeah. So like literally right after I contour, I brush away that banana powder because I don't bake, I basically toast. I don't want anything baking on my face. I do a lot of baking in the kitchen, so I don't need to bake my face. Just kidding. But if you guys like baking, you can, make the powder bake under your eyes a little more, under your bridge of your nose or wherever. But I like the toasting, and that works pretty fine for me. How am I looking? Looking good? Put some black under my eyes and then smoke out some red. So I'm just putting some face powder on all the areas that didn't get any highlighting or contouring. Empty. You done. You done. You done. Okay. before I would normally set my face before I put blush or highlight on, but look there. He done. He done. And we're gonna take off makeup right after we finish the video, so. I'm gonna do red lips. So this is the finished look, guys. If you made it this far in the video, don't know what to do already. Subscribe, like the video, share the video, tell a friend to tell a friend. You know, it don't really cost them nothing. Just a pass it time quick and fast, nice and easy. So yeah, tell me when you like this look, if it's good or you know, how did I do? Tell me if I'm rocking the hair right. I'm rocking this look. No guys, when I couldn't tell me say the red lipstick no look good. No man, I'm here editing the video and I'm like, what is this? This is not red lip. Oh my gosh. Until next time, bye guys. I'm stressed out. Come do you think this is gonna come out busting, you know? Like everybody else, what everybody else. I'm not ready for the my lighting or my phone or something, but I'm upset. But they gonna post the video same way, you know. They gonna post the video same way. But I'm upset. Come think I gonna mash up the video, you know? Put my ear on it so. But think somebody will come and turn up this. Make this I'm upset. This me really gotta tell me a bit too hard for myself about. Can't wear, man, can't wear. You know, look bad.